How to set nickname in Instagram chat. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram. Make sure you are already logged into your Instagram account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top right corner, you can find this message icon. Click on it. With that, you will land to the chat section. Now open the conversation where you want to set nickname. Now at the top, you will see the username. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to find the option of theme and privacy and safety. Clicking on any of these options, you won't find the option of set nickname. Click on this option of options. You'll find different options, but you won't find the option of set nickname. At the moment, there is no such feature within Instagram to set nickname. But if in the future Instagram comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. But you are able to select the theme. Likewise, you are able to restrict or mute this person. Well, that's all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear if you can set nickname in Instagram chat or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.